What's up guys, Drew here, back at it again with another install. We have Baudilio and Chad setting up behind me. We're on top of an apartment complex in Irvine and the client was having problem with fading of furniture. Now, what was happening was the sun was shining down this direction, was bouncing and reflecting off some windows of the apartments and then bouncing all the way down to the bottom of this atrium where there's a couple couches and chairs and rugs and stuff, and it was fading the furniture pretty badly. They've actually had to replace them multiple times because of the fading. So what we're going to do is we're setting up this little contraption in which Baudilio will be lowered down and he's going to put window film on all of the windows so that essentially there's going to be no more reflection and no more fading of furniture.